You are looking at the Neo. This is the WeLoop latest venture into always-on beautiful color screen technology. I don't have to worry about this one timing out because it never will. Long life, 14 days standby, and at least 10 hours with GPS running continuously. Yep, full-fledged GPS in this unit. You have notifications that'll show up tethered to your phone. You have an onboard compass. Did you see that? When it's all calibrated, it'll show you all of your compass positions with a nice reading of your direction. There you go. It's popped right into it. We also have on here your weather and your location in centigrade, and a real-time, always-on heart rate monitor. If you like to just monitor your heart rate while you're exercising, leave it in this mode. When it acquires your heartbeat, it's going to stay on the screen, not switch back to time, and not go out. Really nice. You also have a display showing how many steps you've walked a day, and of course your calories burned and distance traveled are available from the pedometer and back to time. When you push the side button, you get into a whole bunch of other stuff like a treadmill exercise if you like, settings for the watch, a music player, a stopwatch built in here that you can use, and then you get into your fitness like bench pressing and weight training, swimming. That's right, you can use this for swimming, lock out the screen and accumulate data there, and then your GPS tracked things like cycling, running, and walking. It also interfaces with the We app, tethered app on your phone, and that is one of the best of all because not only will it show you your GPS in your track, it'll show the track on the map with location, latitude, longitude at time, but it'll also show you your speed at each of those points. It's the only app that'll do that. Once again, it's the Neo. Neo, yes, the Neo from WeLoop. Check it out.